Good morning, wonderful people. I'm just showing you guys my breakfast. My good juice, 2 eggs, bread with butter, and my cheesecake. I'm about to devour this. Right, Anaya? Guys, the monkey is right there. OMG, do you see it? He just jumped up. Oh, there he is. Yep, guys, there's monkeys.
You better find sunscreen enough. It's your lecture.
You too, babe. You need to put on sunscreen. Y'all, you guys are white people. You need sunscreen. I mean, even I need sunscreen, but you guys need it more. Hey guys, so guess what? Your girl is going to the beach. Your girl is going to the beach. You're going to the anyways, yeah guys, so we getting ready. We about to go to the beach and stuff and sing. So yeah, so this journey with us, we're just getting ready and stuff. Rhea over here looking cute, doing her hair. Me already ready, just I wait upon them. I have my little bathing suit bottom under here. I can't look like a little whore coming out the house, so you know I had to put on my tights to look appropriate, people. Yeah, and such. So yeah, why are you combing your hair like this as if you're not going in the water?
Because I'm still taking pictures and I'm bringing this comb with me.
Ain't nobody stopping you from bringing the comb, baby. Okay, let me go pack our bags, guys. I'll be back. Oh, and we're off, people.
This? The pattern? I don't know.
You have your ID?
Yeah. Actually have ID? Yeah, guys, so we're heading out right now.
It comes in a...
Can't wait to get there so we can take pictures and stuff. Ooh. Guys, we have arrived. Okay guys, so we're currently getting our tickets and shit. We buying some shit to get in the beach so we could get like a chair and umbrella and stuff like that. Yes guys, we have, what happened? We are here. God, the sand is not hot. That's what I want to do.
Let's try it again.
Yeah, guys, so we're about to go find our seats right now and stuff and get something nice to eat because I'm a little bit peckish right now. So yeah. Alright, guys, we have found our destination. You can wipe this one off, please. Just dust it off a little, please. Yes, guys. So we got to our spot. So I'm just laying down right now. It's kind of hot out here. The girls, all them about to go in the water except me. I'm just gonna look cute and take pictures, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I think I brought my computer so I can edit. Hopefully that happens. I don't know, hopefully they have Wi-Fi, but I'll check in a second. Here goes Boo.
Hey!
So yeah. I'm gonna go take a walk down by the beach to see what's going on over there. Yeah. Let's see if it's cold. I should probably put on some suntan too. Some what is it called? Sunscreen. So cute. Please don't be cold. Oh, it is cold. So Maria is making me come back over here.
Yes, I want to see
Jet ski, baby. I don't know, maybe we're gonna take pictures or something.
See, but nobody can really get in here because
it's so pretty. No, so you so we can, yes, of course we could get in there.
We can get in, but there's too much going on over there.
I think that's the glass bottom boat. You don't think so? I know that's one for sure.
No,
over
that's
here.
the thing where you can sit on, like a hammock thing.
Oh, okay. Why are you scared? What the hell? Why the hell is your face red already? Because you put the thing on it?
I put sunscreen.
Oh,
It's red?
not red, but could tell the difference.
Listen, you need to move from this boat.
Right?
It's cold. It's definitely.
Guys, we're food rich. Okay guys, we are heading over to the trampoline area. Me and babe. It kind of look like it's gonna rain for real this time. You don't look like it?
Yeah, a little bit.
But you don't think it's gonna rain, huh? Hey guys. So shine the light so the people can see. We are heading out to a party, to some club or whatever. Thanks. Yes, outfit of the night. I don't know if you guys can see it good, but you can go on Instagram. I'll be posting pictures so you can go and look. Yeah, so we're going to some, what's the club name? Harbor Lights.
Harbor Light.
We're going to Harbor Lights, and if Harbor Lights not saying nothing, then we're gonna find somewhere else to go. So yeah, that's the plan right now. Yes, people. Alright, bye. I'll see you when I get there. Maria says she want burger, so we're about to go to Chefette. I don't know about getting no food at no damn 2 o'clock in the morning, because I just have not been pleased at all with the food. I don't know. Maybe I'm just not going to the right places. I don't know what's going on.
Oh yeah.
But yeah. My makeup still look good. A little bit oily, but yo, I had this thing called rum punch, right? But it's like a different type of rum punch. It had like bitters and stuff in it. But why 1 cup of that I drink for the whole night? Because if me did have any more than that, would I have a problem? Because just that 1 cup alone I feel kind of frostish. Yeah. So I'll show y'all what Maria get when she gets it, because I'm not getting it. I not even know if I want to eat at this point, to be honest.
I have a big friggin' surprise, and Josh gonna like the surprise.
No bring Josh in your foolishness. Please, me, I beg you, don't bring Josh in your foolishness, okay? I can't wait to see what this surprise is, guys, because honestly, I'm hoping that it's something nice pertaining to food. Because I told him, I said, look, All I want, I don't even have to go to parties. I don't gotta go nowhere. I just want some good food. Good food cooked at the house. But if it's outside the house, I don't know what's going on. Right, Maria?
Tell them about the fish.
No, I'm not telling about the fish because it's just so depressing. Not talk about the fish. We're gonna see what Chefette have going on.
About Josh.
What about Josh? And what do you mind when you try to hype me up in the night?
About Josh, man.
Anyways, at a later date you know we hear about Josh. All I'm saying is that if I don't get this food tomorrow, I better get this good tasting food. Guys, so I reach home and I'm about to go take a shower and eat this food I'm gonna get. I guess me need to show you the food. And then go sleep because this one little rum punch that I had, child, it knocked me out. Late me out for 6. So I'm gonna show y'all the food and then I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Guys, so I got Chefette. I got 2 chicken legs, fries, fries and cheese butter. Hopefully the drumstick tastes good. And yes, we talk to you later. Good night. Thank you.